welcome Malaika Arora Khan, Missionary Hira, and Andrea, the editor of Savvy. Okay, can we have the remote control? Whoa! Beautiful, gorgeous, lovely. That's Malaika Arora Khan on the cover of Savvy.
Firstly, a very good afternoon to everybody, and it's wonderful to be back here at the Magna office. Me and Magna go back many years back. I started out with Society, so for me, there's always a special bond that I share with the Magna publication, and it's wonderful to be sitting back again over here, right next to Mr. Narihira, who hasn't aged a bit, who looks just the same. The first time I entered this office, maybe, I don't know, 20 years back or 21, yeah, I'm thinking 20 years back that I came over here, so it's wonderful. Of course, things have changed over the years. I'm meeting Andrea for the first time now over here. For me, Savvy has always been about the woman, and I think all of us over the years, when we've grown up, there are a couple of magazines that we've all read and we've all identified with, and it's part of our growing up. And for me, Savvy has always been something where it reflects a woman in totality. And I think to be on a Savvy cover is, or to be featured in the Savvy by itself is a huge thing. It's a big deal.
Okay, a lot of things, everybody wonders, Khan, Khandan. Khan, Khandan में सब लोग जैसे हम pictures देखते हैं, सब एक साथ हैं. I've had the privilege of meeting all your family members, and they're all really, really nice. But people in India always wonder कि कैसे आप लोग मिलते हो? Because everybody is a star in their own right from Salim Saab to Helen
हम एक
Ji.
दूसरे से मिलते हैं, then we ask each other's autographs. ऐसे मिलते हैं हम लोग.
That's really nice. So how do you maintain this lovely balance? Do you all discuss work, or do you discuss कि maid की problem हो गई? कैसे आप लोग क्या बात करते हो?
Discuss everything from films to maid की problems कि अगर घर में पानी है या electricity
So you discuss
है.
this with Salman bhai?
We discuss, everybody discusses all sorts of things. I think, but of course, I think we leave work away from the dinner table. But when we all meet, it's a lot of fun. It's great fun. You've seen it. You've met everybody, and you've seen how they are. They all have a wicked, wacky sense of humor. So yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Okay, we've also seen you play different roles. You started as a model. You did so many ads. Then you went to being a presenter on TV. Then you became a judge on television. From
ये सब लिखा है अंदर actually.
नहीं, लेकिन हम जानना चाहते हैं.
ये सारी चीज अंदर लिखे हैं.
हाँ, लेकिन
right?
हाँ.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
मेरी नौकरी गई. Thank you, Malaika.
I'm joking.
मैं अभी
about
next time
you
आपके
to
साथ
ask me.
जज नहीं
I'm
करने
just-
दूंगा. हाँ.
I couldn't help. I was just pulling her leg actually.
नहीं, लेकिन हम जानना चाहते हैं आपसे रूबरू कि आप इतने सारे रोल्स करें, लेकिन आपने एक्टिंग आज तक क्यों नहीं करी? मतलब we want to see you in full-fledged roles.
पता नहीं क्यों, just never really struck my chord at all, acting. I don't know why. It just never excited me as much as my other roles in life that have excited me. So yeah, acting is not something that drives me.
Okay, one more. You turned producer with Dabang, and Dabang to you became extremely successful. You're one of the most successful producers. Supposing you had a choice to make Dabang with younger lot of actors, so who do you think you would have cast as Chulbul Pandey, if not Salman Bhai? Do you think anybody in the younger lot would fit into his shoes?
I don't think anybody would fit into his shoes. Those are very large shoes to fit into. But if I have to choose, I think the only one who would probably do justice, I would say, is Varun.
Okay.
I would think of the newer lot. He's the only one. But otherwise, I don't think there's only one. There's only one Chulbul Pandey and there's only one Salman Khan. So you can't really.
Absolutely.
You can't really mess with that.
Absolutely. Is there anything special that, every item song that you do turns out to be super duper hit? Right? From Chaiya Chaiya to Munni Badnaam.
Well, Inshallah, thank God, touch wood. I don't know, but well, whatever works, works. I ain't complaining and I'm not going to question that.
Great.
In fact, yesterday I had it on my phone. It was all over. I couldn't help it. And the minute he lost, first thing I said was, I'm so sorry, Arbaz. You lost today's match. I couldn't help it. And all our friends were saying the same thing. Yes, there is an uncanny resemblance between the two of them. And I always say it every time, in fact. Everybody has a doppelganger. And I think that is Arbaz's doppelganger.
Hi, Malaika. Salman and Shah Rukh have hugged and sort of patched up a couple of times on public occasions and all. But considering you are close to both of them, we would like to know, have they like really patched up, or was it just like a formal hug that they shared?
I really wouldn't know. I wish I did. I wasn't there. I saw it in the papers just as the way you did. I believe the same thing happened last year as well, but I think they're grown-ups, so it's for them to decide whether they want to hug and patch up and not or whatever. We are just bystanders. I don't think it's our business to even have an opinion or anything. It's their problem.
Hi, Malaika. Yeah, many mothers are inspired by you. So what would you want to suggest them in terms of fitness to maintain themselves? How much importance do you give to fitness?
Fitness for me is very close to my heart. I'm very passionate about it. So when you ask me about fitness, I take it very seriously. I don't take it lightly, and I always say that you should devote some time of your life every day to some sort of fitness, whatever it may be. I think a little bit now goes a long way in the future. So yeah, you have to. Whatever works, whether it's at the gym, whether you like swimming, whether you like walking, running, whatever. Even if it means running after your children as well, even that's equally, it keeps you really fit. But like I said, for me, fitness is an integral part of my life.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
Malaika, thank you so much.